Hi, and thanks for exploring Krypt's latest supply chain solution, Krypt Connect. To start off, I'm going to give a brief introduction as to who we are. Krypt is the leading SAP supply chain and compliance consulting services partner. Our focus is on helping businesses leverage the supply chain suite to gain a competitive advantage and improve their bottom line by offering services that include implementations, upgrades, and support. Our team is, by and large, considered to be thought leaders in our space. We've authored 6 books and over 65 white papers published by SAP Press. And we have several products which we built to better facilitate and maximize your SAP and supply chain investments. Which brings me to our latest solution offering, Krypt Connect, for global trade integration. Krypt Connect was built to address an all-too-common problem. Businesses find their master and transaction data spread across multiple ERP and feeder systems comprising of both SAP and non-SAP systems, either as a result of mergers or acquisitions or as a result of obsolete and unsupported legacy systems. To address this challenge, Krypt developed different connectors specifically for SAP Global Trade Services. Krypt Connect enables seamless integration of SAP GTS regardless of your ERP system, whether it be Oracle, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, or Microsoft Dynamics. Krypt Connect is an out-of-the-box solution, template-driven solution deployment. It enables seamless integration of legacy and non-SAP feeder systems, and it enables a quick win within 5 weeks from design to deploy. Now I'm going to pass it off to my colleague who will show you an example of how Krypt Connect can automate and streamline your trade processes.
Today we will be seeing a demo scenario using Krypt Connect platform where we will try to upload custom declaration from a flat file. This is the Krypt Connect dashboard where you can see there are multiple integrations available for business partner, product master, GTXF dashboards, and custom declaration. We will go through the document creation via upload option. It would bring up a series of steps for you to upload a document from a flat file. You could select the flat file from your local desktop, and as soon as you say upload, it would bring up all the transactions that are there in that flat file in this format. Here you can add more entries manually, or you can continue with the same entry. Once you go to the next step, it would validate this transaction for valid products, valid currency codes, unit of measure. If something is not correct, you have an opportunity to directly correct them here, or you could continue with only those entries which are valid and you want to create them. To continue further, you would select the FTO for which you are trying to create the entry. So I would select the company code or FTO and the plant or the legal unit for which you are trying to create. You have an opportunity to select the trading partner, a vendor, or a ship to address. If this is optional, you can enter. And today we are going to create an import declaration, and you would select a type of import declaration that you want to create. Once these basic parameters are selected, and as you can see that I'm not going to correct all these entries, but I would continue with only one of these transactions which is valid, and I can ignore the others. I can proceed further. Once all these parameters are correct and it has been verified, you can submit this so that it can automatically create the custom declaration with GTS. As you can see, the screen pops up with the confirmation, and it also gives you a reference to the custom declaration that got created. Now we can go to GTS and see this custom declaration, and we can verify the details that was created. This. As you can see, it already created this custom declaration in GTS with all the information what we have provided, the item quantity, and it would bring in all the necessary information like the tariff information, the FDA information, weight according to the master, quantity, country of origin. All this data would be set up in GTS and it would default it automatically. It would also bring in some information like anti-dumping duties, COO items, if there is any NAFTA indicators that are available, the SPAC codes that also would be directly defaulted. This is one of the way we could interact and connect an external system into GTS. So this is a scenario that we just demoed using a flat file, and the same thing would be applicable for any legacy or any non-SAP system. To know more, or if you have any further questions, please contact us at info@krypting.com. Thanks for your time.